Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the weather widget on your iPhone home screen. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to add the weather widget to your iPhone home screen. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. What we're first going to do is that you're going to press and hold onto your screen until the screen starts to jiggle, as shown. Next, on the upper left hand corner, you're going to click on edit and then click on add widget. Once you do so, you want to go ahead and find the weather app. So you can type in the search bar here, weather. And here, once you press on it, we have a variety of different displays of widgets for the weather. So just choose the one that you want to go ahead and display. We'll just choose this one here. Then click on add widget. And then once you hold the weather widget, you can see that you can move it to your desired position. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add the weather widget to your iPhone home screen. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.